Hey there. In this video, I'm going to compare the specs between the Neptune 4 Max with the Neptune 3 Max. And here it is. So the Neptune 3 Max got better print volume. You can see right here about 20. Then you're gonna have max printing speed. I couldn't get it for Neptune 3 Max. So I can really say. Then the auto bed leveling is better for Neptune 4 Max. Then you're gonna have nozzle temperature. You're gonna have also better. For the supported filaments is also for Neptune 4 Max, you can see it right here. But also for the most, you can have also for Neptune 3 Max. Then you can have the connectivity is better for Neptune 4 Max. You can have more connectivity options like Wi-Fi, VLAN. Here you can have TF card and USB cable only. Motherboard is better for the Neptune 4 Max. And the extruder, the cooling system, the touch screen, the UI language, the resume printing, the filament detection, the head dissipation, magnetic platform, or tie. Then also machine size. The package size is a more compact package, is better for Neptune 4 Max. Net weight is better for Neptune 3 Max. Cross weight is tie. Nozzle heating element is better for 4 Max. And the UI language options is the same. So when we're going to look here, you can clearly see that yes, the print volume is a little bit bigger for Neptune 3 Max, but other than that, in many regards, Neptune 4 Max is dominating Neptune 3 Max. I just wanted to make this quick video. I hope it gave you at least a little bit of value regards like what are the comparison between these two. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.